Few campers manage to combine true luxury with the freedom of the open road. And this one is designed for travelers who expect more than just a place to sleep. The channel where we explore the most advanced, luxurious, and exciting vehicles shaping the future of travel and mobility in the United States. Today, we're diving into something truly special: the all-new 2027 Mercedes Camper, a luxury camper designed to deliver the refinement of Mercedes-Benz with the freedom of life on the open road. This vehicle is built for those who want to explore America without giving up comfort, technology, or premium craftsmanship. In this video, we're going to walk through the design, interior living experience, engine and performance, technology, safety systems, pricing expectations, financial considerations, buying options, and what truly makes this camper stand out in the competitive luxury camper market. So if luxury road travel is something you've been thinking about, stay with us because this one is definitely worth your attention. The 2027 Mercedes Camper immediately stands out with an exterior design that feels elegant, modern, and unmistakably Mercedes-Benz, even at first glance. The body features smooth aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and improve efficiency, while the signature Mercedes front grille and LED lighting elements give it a premium, confident road presence. Unlike traditional boxy campers, this model blends form and function beautifully, offering a streamlined silhouette that looks just as comfortable parked in a luxury campground as it does cruising down the interstate. Large panoramic windows are seamlessly integrated into the body, allowing natural light to flood the interior while enhancing the upscale aesthetic. Subtle chrome accents, high-quality paint finishes, and thoughtfully designed wheel options complete the exterior, making this camper feel more like a luxury tour vehicle than a conventional recreational camper. Step inside the 2027 Mercedes Camper, and you're welcomed into an interior that feels closer to a high-end apartment or boutique hotel than a vehicle. The main living area is anchored by a plush, well-contoured sofa designed for long hours of comfort. Whether you're relaxing, working remotely, or enjoying the view through the large windows. The kitchen area is sleek and highly functional, featuring a modern cooktop, integrated countertop workspace, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions that make cooking on the road both easy and enjoyable. Moving into the sleeping area, the bedroom offers a quiet and relaxing retreat with a comfortable bed, ambient lighting, and practical storage for extended travel, allowing you to truly unwind after a long day on the road. The bathroom completes the interior experience with a fully enclosed toilet and shower setup, premium fixtures, proper ventilation, and a clean, minimalist design that emphasizes both hygiene and comfort. Every element of the interior reflects Mercedes' commitment to luxury, practicality, and intelligent space utilization. Beyond the comfort and design, the driving experience is where a luxury camper like this either impresses or falls short, and that's exactly what we need to look at next. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes Camper delivers a refined yet capable performance package engineered for long-distance touring and smooth highway driving. The camper is expected to feature a turbocharged engine with optional hybrid assistance, offering strong torque for confident acceleration, steady climbing on mountain roads, and relaxed cruising at highway speeds. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, paired with an advanced automatic transmission that prioritizes comfort and efficiency rather than aggressive shifting. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections and reduce cabin fatigue, while maintaining stability even when fully loaded. Overall, the driving experience feels composed and premium, making long road trips across the United States feel effortless rather than exhausting. Technology is a major highlight of the 2027 Mercedes Camper, transforming it into a smart, connected living space designed for modern travelers. The driver's cockpit features a wide digital display system that integrates navigation, vehicle data, and media into a seamless interface, while intuitive infotainment controls allow for easy access to route planning and entertainment.